the land here is trapezoidal, not a rectangle. Instead of fighting that shape, the architects let the floor plan follow it. The house sits on 670 square meters in a vacation condominium near São Paulo. From the street, you see how the building adjusts its angles to fit the site. No wasted space, no forced symmetry. A wooden pergola marks the entrance. It's not just decorative. It shades the path and invites you in without a heavy door. Walking underneath, light and shadow shift on the ground. You're still outside, but you've already entered a transition zone. In a warm climate like Brazil, that shading matters before you even step inside. Inside, a central circulation axis runs from the entrance through the whole house. On one side, the social block. On the other, the intimate block. That separation is traditional, but here the axis works visually. Light comes from both ends. You can partially see into the spaces on either side, so you never feel lost. The social block uses the trapezoidal shape to create different widths. One end is wider, that becomes the gathering zone. The other narrows, which suits a dining table or quiet seating. No walls needed. And because this is a vacation house, moving from indoor to outdoor feels effortless. Materials are honest, wood on the pergola and some interiors, concrete or plaster on walls. Because the land is trapezoidal, sunlight doesn't enter at perfect right angles. Shadows move diagonally across the floor. That unpredictability makes the house feel alive, not a static box, but a surface that reacts to time. The intimate block offers privacy. Bedrooms line one side of the corridor, each facing either a garden or an enclosed courtyard. The central spine between social and intimate blocks blocks sound from traveling. That's a simple but effective acoustic strategy, especially when people in a vacation house sleep on different schedules. Landscape design by Andre Paoliello fills the leftover corners of the trapezoidal site. Native plants cluster in irregular groups that mirror the floor plan's angles. Paved areas are minimal, just enough for walking. The rest is planted. Stand near a planted corner on a hot day, and you'll feel the temperature drop. The wooden pergola is one of several shading devices. Eaves are deep. Windows are placed to catch prevailing breezes. Because the facade isn't parallel to the property lines, wind is channeled into the central axis. Cross ventilation happens without large openings on every side. This house breathes. What stays with you isn't one dramatic feature, it's the quiet logic. A trapezoidal piece of land became the reason for everything. The axis, the block separation, the light, the wind. For design references, start with your site's shape. Let the land tell you where to put the wall and where to leave it open. That's how a house feels like it has always belonged there.